Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In today's video, it's been a long time coming. I told you guys I was not gonna do this, which is I think the best part of this video and the best part of the whole car and the build, and I apologize, the AC is blasting. It's simply hot. It's hot out. So bear with me. We're driving to Danny's new shop. Hopefully give the car a little bit of time to cool off, and then yeah, just throw on that downpipe. It's the IE catted downpipe. It's behind me in that box. We're doing things a little backwards, a little outside of how I prefer to do it. The intercooler is yet to be on the car, and quite frankly, it is at this point a requirement. Even with just stage one, I would highly recommend an intercooler. I could feel just the power loss and the necessity for an intercooler. Unfortunately, no intercooler just yet. We do have it at home. I'm probably gonna try to throw it on next weekend, and if that doesn't happen, then it'll be the weekend to follow. So stay tuned for that. But I'm excited because we are going to swap out downpipes. We're going with the high flow cat. I believe it's a 200 cell catalytic converter, and that's enough to hopefully make this thing a little bit more louder, but in the right sense. Behind me in the, I guess behind the passenger seat, we have the Resonator from IE, because that's also going on the car. My goal today is to realistically make the best sounding Mk8 GTI or MQB car. As you guys know, these EA888s sound like trash. The newer gens apparently sound a little better. I don't have an opinion. I don't, because I've had two EA888 Gen 3s. They were okay. This, I don't know. I think it's going to be a little bit, maybe a little more muted, maybe a little more deeper sound with the Resonator. I'm not sure. I've listened to a lot of videos on YouTube from Cameron Alford, which, by the way, you know, shout out to Cam. You got the best content in the biz. I mean, when it comes to MQB, you know, I've been a seasoned vet of this platform for a little bit now, and you know, I always find myself going to Cam's videos because they're very insightful. And I'm sure if you guys are coming from my videos or his, I mean, there's a little bit of crossover just because we both have GTIs. He has a 7.5 GTI and the 8 GTI as well. Really cool garage. Check him out if you don't already know about him, but chances are you guys probably know about him, and he is the man. We are just about to pull up on the shop now, and yeah, I'll give you guys one last pull with the exhaust as it is. Let's kind of lower that AC because I'm hoping it's not picking up too much on video, but it could be. Very well could be. So we have our custom crackle setting, which is a little aggressive, honestly. It is pretty aggressive, but here we go. Get a little bit of that traction cut sound, that blap sound. It sounds like a DSG burp. Jeez. It does get a little old, but I am so freaking excited to get wrenching on this thing. Here we go, guys. We are at the shop. We'll do a little pan around. I'll show you guys kind of what the idles sound like. And yeah, we'll get to work on this thing. So here it is. That diffuser. Can't get enough of that. I think what I might do too while I have them, while it's on the lift, just because it's so hard to get at those tips, I might bring out the tips a little bit, lower them a little bit, just because they're a little in there. I think we could get a little more poke if we want. But yeah, what an absolute beast this car is, and it's going to be even crazier with the addition to this. Check it out. Got some IE on there. Here it is. Got the IE catted. There's our catted downpipe. So I'm super excited. One other piece of the puzzle will be a Resonator, which conveniently says IE. It's backwards, but you guys get the idea. So that bottle Resonator is hopefully going to quiet this thing down. I think it might even be a little bit quieter than it is now. But honest to God, I have no idea what to expect. So we'll have to wait and see. Throw this thing in here. Hopefully it's a quick install. I think we have to loosen the subframe a little bit, but regardless, it'll get done.
Hi ladies and gentlemen, so this is Danny. Welcome to my garage. We're here also with
Pete.
Mr. Pete here. We're here to install IE's catted downpipe today. It's a GTI, so these are pretty much a lot easier. We have a drive shaft in the tunnel, so it's a lot easier to get to. Regardless, we're pretty excited because this car is already pretty loud. And you know, it makes all the right noises, right?
We're gonna have to try aggressive crackles.
Yes, that's we're gonna test out the catalytic converter. That's what we're gonna do today.
That's right.
So, as you can tell already, we already got the car up on the lift, so I'm just gonna be jumping right on it. Pete's just gonna be recording me and all this stuff as we're going. But we're gonna jump right on it. There's some really nice quality stuff. I mean, this
the
casting,
welds are pretty solid.
the casting on this is really nice. Obviously, you got the cat here in the middle, flex pipe, and secondary oxygen sensor here. So yeah, pretty excited. It looks really good as per usual. We'll see how it goes. It should be pretty smooth, like I said, but
yeah, no,
some arcade.
Make it a little rowdy, and of course we have our optional resonator too.
Oh yes.
So we'll throw that in, and then if we're feeling a little rowdy at some point later on down the line, I'll take it off, which
Absolutely.
is easy peasy.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Couple clamps.
So. Here
cool.
It goes. Yep. So this piece is out. This one's out as well.
That's our straight pipe.
Yeah.
Jeez, that's gonna look a little different soon.
Cheaply made, I'm not gonna lie. Oi!
One out. One to go.
Yeah, there we go.
Got it?
Yeah. Yeah, sure enough, I wasn't gonna get that out because I feel the clip hanging onto it.
I'm sure of it, yeah.
Yeah, so come here, just so I can show you.
Yeah.
So the heat shield and the bracket, come look at this. Let me put my light up there.
Right up yonder.
Yeah, if you see here, this is the heat shield for the axle. And then if you check on this side, kind of tough to tell, but the downpipe bracket,
yep,
it goes over it, and it doesn't really like move much. So.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
So
a little bit of space limitations.
Yeah, just a little bit, but I'll get it out. It's just since it's really hot right now.
Yeah.
The cat usually takes the longest to cool down.
Oh, I'm sure.
So. Ooh, you forgot that's hot. I keep forgetting. Come on.
Oh my god. Woo! Look at that. Now give it a shake. Not bad.
Not bad.
How does it look? Oh my god, it looks fine.
It looks perfectly fine.
That's crazy. See? No issue. No problem.
Yeah. Well, that's good. I'm glad they have a thermal.
Let's put it back.
Yeah.
Alright, IE goes in. Hopefully easy in.
Yeah.
Because it was not an easy out.
Yeah, it's not. Definitely was not so easy out. Definitely easier already.
Yeah.
So that's good.
That is a good thing. Yeah, it looks like it's pretty much in there.
Yeah, you gotta position it properly, obviously, but for the most part, it's there.
Yeah. Alright, finishing touches. Got the IE bottle resonator going in.
Careful with your head.
I know, I keep doing that. It's funny because it's always this tire.
Yeah. Alright, cool.
We got everything in, as you guys can see, where our catback kind of stops, and then we go to our recently added resonator. Now to the downpipe. So this is it's been certainly a job.
Yeah.
But
could be worse.
Could be worse. Could be a golf R still. Could be, because that just presents more challenges. But yeah, she's
for the most part,
we'll tighten down. Oh, dude, it's quieter. It's like way better than I was expecting.
Yeah. Oh yeah. That's awesome. That thing is quiet now. in comparison.
See, I did a good thing today.
Oh, we did a good thing, all right.
Guys, this car sounds insane. We're gonna have Danny pull it out. We'll go for a little spin, we'll have him drive it because he needs to experience the adjustable crackles, which I feel a little more responsible using now with the downpipe. So just recommend it for those who want to run those crackles. Just do the downpipe. This thing is quieter than with just the catback, which is exactly what I wanted because I know what under load it's going to be. It probably will be a little louder, but again, we'll have to wait and see. It sounds so freaking good though. Yeah.
You got Pete's opinion, but you got your boy's opinion.
That's right.
This actually sounds so good. The Resonator was a very, very big must. I mean, this thing literally, like, it's almost like factory, but then it actually makes all the right noises once you're actually getting into it. Like,
just eco mode.
I put it in eco, super quiet, like
quiet as a mouse.
And this with the windows down too, so you know, like point being,
seats folded back, even though there's some stuff back there.
Yeah, like this sounds so good. But then it's like once you want to get rowdy, you know, you put it in sport, and you hear them already, you know.
It's insane.
Oh baby, you see what I'm saying?
Sounds so freaking good. It's I think the fix to these engines because they sound like crap if you make them too loud.
They sound terrible. So this is a really good mixture of, you know, sounding good and bad.
Yep.
Oh yeah, that's good.
It's genuinely quieter, which is
absolutely
weirder. I can't figure that out, but again, it's
that Resonator. I'm telling you, the Resonator makes a huge difference. Even though it's got the downpipe now, but the Resonator that's the chef's kiss, I guess you could say, right?
True. Yeah, no doubt.
That's the chef's kiss for sure. You guys have seen me in the channel. I'm the rowdy kind of person, you know, so I like as loud as possible, as many noises as possible. But, you know, this is the kind of daily that I want right now, you know what I mean? So this is perfect.
It's super nice and it's fun, you know?
Absolutely.
Yeah, overall, I would say it's a 9.5 out of 10. Really happy.
Absolutely.
All right, let her eat.
Oh, I'll let her eat, all right.